Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, part 2, the Dollar General Backsplash. So I put together a little video. Here it is. It was $1.25 a sheet. As you well know, I bought 12 sheets, but I had to go back and get 10 more. So we're up to $22. It went up really smoothly. I feel like it's a little busy because I'm used to the black and white, and so but I mean, for a nice alternative, and what we're going to do where that gap is we're going to put white woodwork. We started cutting the pieces yesterday, but we didn't get around to it. But I would say, for something different to give you, more of like a complete look in your kitchen, because at this point, just kind of want to get this project done. And then later on this year, when I have more, money to put towards it, I will, I had to paint some woodwork. That's what I'm showing you here. I'll get the subway tile, done correctly. Thank you for watching. And I'm putting together the whole DIY kitchen project that I did this summer. And with the prices. I think you guys will be amazed how affordable it really was. But again, I did not get new appliances yet, and I have not got light fixtures yet. So here's just me showing you more of the process yesterday. You guys, it did not take very long at all. There were some places you had to, do. But anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.